Hi Ambika, thank you so much for joining in.
Yeah, sir. This is my second conversation with you, and I'm so happy be here, sir. Thank you so
So
much.
kind of you. Thank
Yeah,
you so much.
sir. Actually, last time you have told me that my idea is very good, and you encourage me at lot. So now I was in touch with your team also. So actually, we want a mentor who can help us to, as you told me last time that you should, you may not remember that my model is my company name is Renofast, and we are providing bathroom renovation services through our app. So you told me last time that we should have a vendor interface also, where because you being a Noida company can't go to the remote locations and do the service. So if you want to make it big, then you have to make a vendor interface. So my question is then how it can be done, and how Startup Lane can help me to make it big and make it all these things.
Right. So what we are doing is we are starting up business advisory services.
Okay.
Right. Very soon. What big companies do, no, KPMG, Accenture, big companies,
Okay.
ENY, but these services are limited to big companies again because the cost is very high.
Big,
So we
right.
are trying to build this model in-house at a
Mm-hmm.
very low cost. But again, low means not very much low. It will be around, it will cost you 8,000, 9,000 rupees per month, which is like less than a salary of a person. In
Right.
that it will be 1 lakh rupees for 1 year complete package. There
Okay.
will be business analysts. I'll tell you what they are going to do. They
Okay.
will analyze first your business,
Mm-hmm.
and then they will sit together with me and
Mm-hmm.
we'll create a model for you, a right kind of model wherein how you can scale up, and then we will find out systems and processes which are lacking. Like you might not be having a CRM, you might not be having an accounting package, you might not be having it could be anything, funnels. So we will give you the right kind of suggestions and solutions, where to get those funnels, at what price, and how you can reduce your cost, and how you can build the systems and processes, whether you have a privacy policy, just everything which is availed by a big company, everything will be taken care of, from your privacy policy to your business model to your funnels to the software, the right kind of tools, how you should do the PR activities, whether you have the right kind of offer letter or not, everything. And we are building those systems and processes now. That means we are building that checklist, whether they will check everything, and they will suggest you as well as. So because I cannot mentor and guide every startup this way, there are so many. So that is why I'm building a team. These business analysts, they will connect, and they will keep a close track, and wherever I am required, I will be personally engaging and creating the solutions. And we are trying to keep it as much low fees as possible. So 1 lakh rupees is still the lowest fee that we can have for 1 year of service, in which there will be one business analyst and one systems and processes manager, who will check whether all the systems and processes are in place, because you end up losing a lot of money because of lack of systems and processes, right?
Right.
Sometimes, and because we don't know. I've seen a lot of companies who don't have privacy policy, they don't have offer letters for their staff, they don't have a contract with the vendors, right? Not just legal, lot many sales systems, they don't have funnels, they don't have a CRM, they don't have a lead generation system. So that
Right.
is one business not done is your loss. Opportunity not utilized is lost, right? So if you are not generating lead, that means you are losing business. So you need to generate leads, you need to do everything which others do, big companies, in your own cost. And that is what we will be doing, right? So this could happen anytime within next week to next 15 days, because we have already started building this. Okay, I hope that will be suitable.
Yeah, sir, that will be. And sir, my second question is this. For example, right now this is my MVP model, because we are also getting clients, but our services are not exact what should be. So at this stage we can go for the funding and all, or it is not the right time.
Not exactly the right time, because
Okay.
you need to build, actually what I've seen is most of the startups or most of the companies, they just build a basic brochure and they hit the market, right?
Okay.
So it should not be like that. While you
Okay.
approach investors for funding, because you cannot approach the same investor again, so why to lose out on the chance, right?
Right.
So better to prepare everything. That
Mm-hmm.
means not just brochure, you need to have all the systems, processes, scaling up model, how you will scale up. If investors keep on asking you question, you should have that all the answers. And we are also trying to do mock pitches. Mock pitches means our team will mock the investor and they will ask you 100 questions, right? So that you prepare before you actually hit the investor. So we are trying and building that model as well, and this is all free of cost, no charges for it. Wherever
Okay.
we find out that we can offer anything for free, we always do that.
Right, sir. Thank you so much.
Pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.